story about an elephant. Oh, not an ordinary elephant. A very small elephant. His name was Goliath II, and he was hardly any bigger than one of his father's toenails.
Hey, Pop! Hi!
But his father, Goliath I, was a mammoth tusker, the biggest elephant in all the jungle. And in elephant society, the bigger you are, the better you are. Big Goliath had always wished for a son who would grow to be a giant like himself.
Gee whiz! That was great! Look at Pop! Watch me, Pop!
And to be blessed with such a tiny, insignificant son was, of course, a tremendous disappointment.
I'll show you, Pop!
A gigantic blow to his enormous pride.
Some father you are. Shame on you, you big overstuffed blimp.
You see, his mother, well, like most mothers, was proud of her little son, no matter what.
Now, don't worry, son. Brute strength isn't everything. You'll amount to something someday. Just wait and see.
But raising such a tiny son in the savage, unfriendly jungle was a big problem and a constant worry. Her number one worry was Roger, a crafty old tiger who could hardly take his greedy eyes off little Goliath. All his life, he'd been curious to taste an elephant. And now, at last, he'd found one just bite-size. And at the very first opportunity...
You bloodthirsty old scoundrel. Eloise! Why don't you watch where you're going, you clumsy ox?
Now, don't you clumsy ox me. I can't watch out for your precious little brat. That's your worry. If you think I'm going to pussyfoot around the rest of my life just because...
Goliath! Goliath!
Oh, Goliath, what on earth will I ever do? Goliath, how many times have I told you not to wander off that way?